Welcome to Westerlee Apartment Homes. Hi, and welcome to our 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment home.
Your spacious living room presents this beautiful sliding glass door that illuminates the room with natural lighting. Have a meal in this open dining room concept off of the living room area, and unwind in this living room after a long day of work. Your open eating kitchens features an abundance of cabinet space and a conveniently located washer and dryer. In the hallway leading to your bedrooms, you'll find your full-size bathroom and linen closet off of the second bedroom. The second bedroom highlights 2 large closets and can fit a queen or king-size bed comfortably. Walking into the foyer of your master bedroom suite comes equipped with a charming walk-in closet and full-size bathroom with stand-up shower and your own linen closet. Enjoy our fully equipped 24-hour fitness center, sparkling Olympic-sized swimming pool, fun-filled playground, and open dog park area.
Thank you for touring with us today. To secure your new apartment home, go online at morganproperties.com to submit your application.